Scientists have warned today that the world will almost certainly experience its hottest year on record within the coming 5 years, and a key temperature threshold is likely to be breached for the first time, which is a rise in global temperature by 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Our climate editor Justin Rowlett has more details. Remember, last summer temperatures in England breached 40 degrees Celsius, for the first time driving wildfires and helping make 2022 the hottest year ever recorded in the UK, and we can expect even hotter weather worldwide in the coming years according to the World Meteorological Organization. The UN's weather and climate body. Rising temperatures thanks to global warming are one reason, but we are also seeing a change in a crucial weather system in the